The best cookie presses help you make cookies with different attractive shapes quickly without leaving a mess. Hence, you can enjoy great cookie batches without going to any bakery. You can try making delicious cookies with family members, especially your children. This device is ideal for everyone, no matter you are a master or simply a baking enthusiast. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 cookie presses on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Auricum large-sized clear tube cookie press. This cookie press comes with a large, transparent tube so that you will not pour the cookie dough regularly. Besides, you can easily view the amount of dough left inside. This device tends to make consistent cookies quickly. It is made of BPA-free plastic. Hence, it has a non-toxic durable construction. Plus, you can remove its parts to clean it fast. It is equipped with 16 discs to make great cookies. Furthermore, all the stainless steel pieces are thickened. Hence, this appliance is strong and long-lasting use. You also clean dead spots quickly, thanks to detachable parts. Key features: come with a large-sized clear tube, no adding the cookie dough more often, create consistent cookies, suit at home and bakery cream cake. The food-grade material included, BPA-free, tasteless, and non-toxic, offer detachable parts. Number 2. Marcato Atlas Anodized Aluminum Cookie Press. This cookie press is equipped with a long-lasting construction, including steel, ABS, and anodized aluminum. Hence, it can achieve superior durability. This appliance can resist the high pressure of thick cookie doughs. Besides, you can create different cookies with any style, thickness, and shape in just a few minutes. This product gives you a great experience as you are using a classic metal baking device. You do not need to refill the tube regularly because of its large size. Furthermore, you can take the top cover out to clean and store. What's more, you can adjust the sizes of your cookie to your preference. You also press every time to advance the cookie dough for consistency. You can see an ergonomic design without leaving a mess as a cookie cutter. Key features: no need to roll and cut dough, made from ABS, anodized aluminum, and steel, supply complete instructions, effortless cookie sizes adjustment. Number 3. Kuhn-Riken Clear Decorating Tips Cookie Press. This cookie press has 6 decorating tips to make your cookies with any style in just a few minutes. You should apply these tips every time you do such a job. I believe that you would not be disappointed. Besides, you can see the amount of dough inside its clear plastic tube. All the parts are made of food-grade materials to keep your food safe. You can use a set of interchangeable discs to customize the cookies. Furthermore, you can create icing, cowless, and patties effortlessly. This appliance suits use at home and for professional purposes. It is expected to use for the long term. It is also easy to load and clean after use. You can read a recipe book to get more useful tips when in use. Key features: come with a storage box, 14 unique steel discs included, supply a recipe book, equipped with a clear plastic tube, food-grade materials. Number 4. Wilton 13-piece Preferred Press Cookie Press. This affordable cookie press is efficient in making cookies for a few minutes. It comes with 12 shaped discs for your variety and selection. Hence, you can easily decorate cookies as your preference. This device has a barrel where you add cookie dough inside. Besides, you simply push the handle down to let the dough come out easily. Plus, the handle is soft enough to grip without any hassle, no matter if you often face difficulty in grip strength. Its construction is a combination of metal and plastic materials. Plus, this appliance can resist corrosion during use. Furthermore, parts can disassemble simply for ease of cleaning and maintenance. Besides, you can check the amount of cookie dough left in a clear barrel. You distribute the cookie dough through discs evenly with a high-quality plunger. The product comes with an ergonomic design to fit your hand size when in use. Key features: 12 different disc designs, come with a raised base design, offer a trigger-like handle, a clear barrel, and an ergonomic appearance, supply complete instructions and recipes. Number 5. Cambum Clear Tube Food-Grade Material Cookie Press. This cookie press is one of the best manual devices. It is ideal for beginners to learn how to make cookies efficiently. Plus, the effortless trigger mechanism helps you create your cookies in just a few minutes. This product tends to handle plenty of cookie doughs and fillings. Besides, you can detach all the parts to clean them faster than you think. The appliance is made of BPA-free materials to keep you safe during use. The press is big enough so that you do not have to pour the dough frequently. You also check the amount of dough with a clear container. You simply add the cookie dough inside the tube, cover the selected disc, and screw it before pressing. Subsequently, you push the button down to shape your cookies to your liking. Key features: no need for pouring the cookie dough regularly, detachable parts, come with the food-grade materials, tasteless, non-toxic, and durable. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.